Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can bump a message on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in a device. Then, select the chat on which you want to bump the message. Next, tap on the chat. After that, find the message which you want to bump. Next, long press on it by tapping on it. After that, tap on more. Next, you can see the option of bump. Tap on it. So, this is how you can bump a message on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.